Hala Furniture stands on excellence. Your home is not just a place, it's a reflection of your lifestyle, your comfort, your identity. At Hala Furniture, we offer everything you need to shape stunning spaces. From custom carpets in every color and fiber to stylish curtains, blinds, rugs, and modern flooring. Design solutions tailored for every space: homes, offices, mosques, hotels, and even exhibitions. From pet-friendly rugs to eco-conscious carpets, motorized curtain convenience to custom skirting, every detail matters. And with expert installation for carpets, blinds, curtains, artificial grass, and more, we bring beauty and convenience to your doorstep. Trusted across Dubai and the UAE for over 10 years with quality products, personalized service, and a commitment to perfection. Explore more, style more, live better with Hala Furniture.